guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, do not forget to hit that subscribe button, and also do not forget to turn on your post notifications so you will not miss a video of Nikki V's. So as you guys can see down below and by the look of my face, I have no makeup on, which means today I will be filming an updated makeup tutorial. I have not done one in forever, guys. Whatever you guys do, please do not go look at my old ones. I don't like how I used to do my makeup. My eyebrows are just like ew, like, oh sad, it's 2021. Get with it. Just kidding. So as a lot of you guys have known, I used to deal with acne, and I used to have so much acne, and as you guys can see, I still have a little bit. I have a little bit of scars on this side. This side is my cleanest, and my forehead is getting better, and my face is finally getting better after so many years of using so many things. And I'm gonna tell you guys right now, I don't use anything on my face. I just make sure to wash it every single day, take off my makeup before I go to sleep. But let's get into the makeup tutorial. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Everything that I will be showing you guys today is how I actually do my makeup. I'm not a professional makeup artist, kinda, just kidding. But yes guys, this is how I look without makeup. A lot of people think that my skin is super flawless. It's not. I'm going to be looking at the top because that's where I can see myself and I want to see myself. But we're going to begin with the eyebrows, and that is everyone's favorite part. A lot of you guys have been asking me, how do you do your eyebrows? Can you give us a makeup tutorial? You guys just want a makeup tutorial to see how I do my eyebrows. So to begin with, I do grab a little spoolie. It doesn't matter which one. I know a lot of brushes have it in the back of the brow pencil. So I'm just going to brush my eyebrows up. And by the way, I did get my eyebrows laminated. And if you guys want to achieve this look right here, and you guys do not want to get your eyebrows laminated, you guys can use any type of gel. I don't have the gel that I used to use when I didn't have lamination. Actually, yes, I don't have it with me right now. I actually gave it to my mom. It's the Anastasia clear gel. I think that's what it's called. But I would use that, and it would actually give me something like this. And so after brushing my eyebrows up with this spoolie, I do grab my Anastasia, which looks like this, and I am in the shade medium brown. So to begin with, I'm gonna be grabbing my brush from Anastasia, and I already grabbed some product. I'm only gonna be underlining the bottom. And with like any little bald spots like that, I'm gonna be going in with more product and filling that in a bit, just like little lines. With the same product, I'm just gonna be making little lines where your bottom line is, so going up like that. So guys, I'm gonna do this other brow real quick, and then I'll show you guys how I conceal my eyebrows. So what I use is a Tarte Shape Tape concealer that looks like this. It is in the shade light neutral, and this is the brush that I've been using since forever, guys. I don't know where it's from. I'm pretty sure it's from Elf, not sure. But I'm just gonna be grabbing some product, not too much. That's what I'm gonna be using. And I'm just gonna start cleaning the bottom like this. So now for the top part, I don't like to grab too much product just because I don't want it to be super clean in the top. So this is what I'm going to be using. I hope you guys learned something new. I don't know if you guys do your guys' eyebrows the same way. My routine is actually pretty simple. I don't think that I use too many products. And guys, the only products that I use is the Tarte Shape Tape and also the Anastasia Dip Brow. And these are the only brushes that I use as well. I know this one already has a spoolie. I don't know why. I just like this one a little more. Okay, so now time to do, what's this called? Your eyeshadow. Time to do your eyeshadow. So, amiguitas, nomás para decirles ahorita, yo no sé hacerlo, but I'm gonna show you guys the way that I do it. So, pongan atención. So to prime my eyelids, I use this concealer. I use this for everything, guys. Just go and buy it. I recommend it. I'm gonna be going like that, and like that, and like that. So I'm just gonna blend out the concealer in my eyelid. Just to let you guys know, I didn't want to do like answering questions. I want to focus into what I'm doing for those that want to learn. So if you guys are wondering what eyeshadow palette I use the most, I use the Murillo twins. I honestly love their whole collection. I use it all, from the contour palette, which is right here, and what else do I use? Oh, the lip pencils palette. So I'm going to be using this palette, and as you guys can see, I actually do use it. So for today, I'm going in for like kind of a fall look, which I'm going to be using brown. And just to make the makeup pop today, I'm going to be doing some pink under my eye. So brown on top and pink under my eye. So I'm going to start with this OMG shade. I'm going to grab some and go like that. I honestly forgot what all these little names are, but just watch where I'm going and learn. I honestly do not know how to do bomb eyeshadow, but I just do whatever I can. I mostly do browns. I don't know if you guys are like that too. Browns is what I do. I forgot to tell you guys which brush I was using. I was using this Morphe one M513, which looks like that. The one that I'm using now is Morphe M573. And I'm going to be using the darker shade. So now I'm going to be applying this brown, which is all good, under the one that I did right now. Now with the brush that I used first, I'm just going to go over the top and kind of blend it out. Like that. And now with the same brown, I'm just going to be going with it all over the eyelid. Guys, this is the look that I was trying to go for. Now to do the other eye, I don't know if that was too simple for you guys. Like I told you guys, I don't really know how to do bomb eyeshadow. I'm more for the basic eyeshadow. I only do exaggerating when I have an event, but like a normal day like this, I just like to do like a little simple brown and call it a day, guys. So now I'm going to do the other side, and I'll catch you guys when it's time for the lash. Okay guys, so this is how my eyeshadow turned out to look. Something super easy and basic. Now it's time for the lashes part. So the lashes that I am going to be using, I honestly don't know where they are from. Like I told you guys before, I just grab my lashes and then I throw the box away. But I am going to show you guys some of the lashes that I love using, and they are from Lorella. They are called Soul Sister, which look like this. I honestly love them. But anyways guys, I'm going to show you guys how I put on my lashes. For those that do not know how to put lashes on, don't worry, you guys are going to learn today. So agarren glue, agarren sus pestañas y les voy a enseñar ya ahorita mismo. So try not to put too much glue just because it will get ugly and tacky. Oy. If you guys want, you guys can also curl the lash. I should have done this before, but I forgot. Nomás así, para que se vean más curly. So now I'm just going to put it straight on the lash. Así. What makes it easier for me, voy a Snapchat y luego nomás voy a cerrar mi ojo y ver así. Y luego nomás empújalo hasta la rayita del ojo. That's how it looks. I did this in less than 30 seconds, guys. It is super fast. Voy a hacer lo mismo que hice con la otra pestaña. Put it on the lash line. See. I'm just gonna be putting it in the lash line. So guys, I already washed my beauty blender así se ve. If you guys are wondering what I wash it with, I do wash it with the pink jabón sote, which works wonders. It's so bomb. I wash all my brushes with that. This part is my favorite. I love putting on foundation. I just feel like a different person. But first, I'm going to be putting on some Pond's lotion. And guys, my face does turn red when I just put any product on my face. So now, I don't know if anyone has told you guys, or if you guys seen on TikTok, that using these on your face and taking out all the hairs, I wouldn't say redness for some reason, makes your, ¿cómo se llama?, face smoother. So I honestly think that works because my face has been looking a little smoother. But I already took out the pelitos like a week ago, so I'm not going to do it now. I just want to let you guys know what makes your face a little smoother. So now you guys know that you guys need lotion on your face and you guys need a prime. So now my primer is from Huda Beauty. They actually did send it out to me, and I am a big fan of this primer. And my face looks super shiny after using those products. I do use this Frankie Rose Cosmetics foundation. I've been using it since like day one. It is in China Silk F101. Just so that you guys know, I do like using my foundation a little lighter than my skin. Just because I do contour, and when I do contour, I contour a lot. And then when I use the foundation that is my color, my face does end up looking darker with the contour and all that. So that's why I like to go lighter. Let me show you guys how I apply it. And at the end of the day, my face always matches my neck and the rest of my skin, guys, so no worries. Now it's time to go in with the concealer, and the concealer should always be lighter than your guys' foundation. So I applied that much on each side, and on the nose very little, like that. And I'm going to be using the KKW Beauty Contour, and then I'm going to be using the light side. O sea, parezco payaso, guys. But with the beauty blender, I'm just going to be blending out this side. Like that. So now I'm going to be going in with this MAC brush. I think it's 109, 189. It's super old, guys, but this is how it looks. That's basically how I do it, guys. Super easy and simple. And then just the top as well. And then just brush up and down, side to side. It's now time to contour the nose. Like that. And like that. I don't know. If you guys know a different way, let me know. I'm just going to be brushing it out like that. Now with the beauty blender, guys, I'm just going to be tapping where I contoured. And if you guys are wondering why I go in with the sponge after I'm doing contouring, just so there's no harsh lines or anything. But now to bake, I use this Laura Mercier powder. They actually did send me these. I've actually been a big fan of these for the longest. If you guys go back to my videos when I did when I was little, I think I was using them. I mean, I've been using them since forever. So with the flat side of this beauty blender, I'm just going to go in and kind of pinch it and set. So I normally bake on the top longer than what I do on the bottom. On the bottom, I just bake for like a couple seconds. I actually do have this powder from Beauty Creations that I wear after I bake. I just put it kind of on the bottom area. It is #1. And I do use the brush that they gave me, which is Beauty Creations RC01. I'm just going to tap. Go like that. So now I'm gonna do powder contour, and like I told you guys, I do use the Beauty Creations Murillo Twins contour palette. So this brush is from Morphe, but it doesn't tell me the number anymore. I think it's S13. I do grab the lightest one, which is the one on top, like that, and just then I do swiping motions up to my ear, as you guys can see, like that. You guys can already see a little line, so I'm just going to continue doing that. You guys can pat it and go up at the same time. Now it's time for blush. Blush is my favorite part of my makeup. I do go in with this shade down here. As you guys can see, I use it so much. And like I told you guys, I love a lot of blush. So I basically just go up there. You guys can see there's so much to makeup. Makeup is not easy, guys. So for the girls and makeup artists that do bomb makeup, props to you guys. Now that I am baking, once again, I'm gonna go in with the pink under my eyelid, and I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. I'm gonna be grabbing some pink, just going like that. This is actually my go-to all the time, except I do put some brown here, but I kind of want it to pop today a bit. So I try not to leave the powder on my nose for so long, so I'm just gonna remove it. It's been on for at least 2 minutes, guys. Now that I have no more powder here, I can finally go in with some mascara. So I'm just going to be applying it to my top lash like that. Y también al otro. So now that I've finished with my eyes, guys, I'm going to take off the powder. I'm actually a big fan of the MAC lip liners. So first I'm going to start with underlining the bottom, guys. And that is how it looks, guys. Now for the color that I use, a lot of you guys love how I do my lipstick. So let me show you guys. So before I show you guys, let me tell you guys something very sad. So you guys know that I use L'Oreal lipsticks, right? And the one that I love is Layla. And I lost Layla, so I lost it and now I can't find it, and it's out of stock, guys, so I can't purchase another one. So what I did was I grabbed two colors kind of going to that color, which are these two. They're from L'Oreal as well, guys. They are in shade Fifi, which is the dark one, and a Blossom, which is a pink one. Fifi, I kind of go in the outer corners and just press on it like that. With the Blossom one, I'm gonna grab some and then just put some in the middle. And that is how that looks. And now with the Murillo Twins lipstick, I'm just gonna go on top. And guys, that is it. This is how I achieved this look. There's no filter, there's nothing. That's how my makeup actually looks in person as well. Okay guys, so I did change and I quickly did my hair. I put on a little dress. Let me show you guys real quick. If you guys are wondering where my dress is from, it is from Princess Paula. You guys can still use my discount code, which is NikkiV, for money off. Okay guys, so now for the fun part, the big giveaway. I'm going to be showing you guys all the products that one of you guys will be taking home. The requirements are going to be super easy. Like always, comment something nice down below. And also with your guys' a nice comment, leave me your guys' Instagram just so I can find you guys quickly. As for your address, and I can get it sent out ASAP. I'm going to be having some eyeshadows, accessories as well, and so many lashes, guys, from different places. They are all so bomb. More eyeshadow palettes. This one's from Huda Beauty, and some glue, some lipsticks, bags, brushes, and that is all I'm going to show you guys, just because I want the winner to be surprised. But there is still much more in this bag, guys. So good luck to all of you guys, and I hope you guys love today's makeup tutorial. If you guys would like more makeup related videos, let me know down below, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next year.